Hi, welcome to Laura's Fundora. Today I'm going to show you how I made this top hat. Okay, so first I got some leftover wood and I measured my head, around my head, and then I cut out the shapes of the size of the brim that I want, and then the size of the head part and how high I want it. And I just kind of chopped, cut those pieces out and stacked them together. And this will help with the shape. Then I got some stiff white felt and some black felt. I wrapped around the wooden part, both the white and the black, and cut them all out. And then I cut the base part of the hat to the size. Okay, then I cut some extra length. I cut it so it's about an inch higher than the wood blocks. And then I cut every inch around it so that I could hot glue it down, create the top part. Then using some extra fabric, I just made kind of a ring and hot glued that to add some more stability. Okay, then I just kind of repeated the process, but with black felt. Added the white circle for the top part of the top hat. Hot glued that down, and then hot glued the black felt to that. Then I hand stitched the black circle to the top of the hat. All right, now for the base part of the hat. So I've cut out all the pieces, one white stiff felt and two black felt sheets. Then I'm going to put the top part of the hat down onto the base part and mark where I need to cut out for the hole where my head's gonna go. So I marked it and I cut an inch away from that circle, and then I cut the slits, so every inch I cut up to that line. Then you're going to attach it by folding those slits down and hot gluing it to the top, the bottom part of the base, and repeat the process with the black felt part. Okay, so to add the rim part of the hat, I got some thick shoelace rope part, and I hot glued it around the edge of the base. And I did this about 4 times, so there's 4 layers of this shoelace. Then I cut some black felt strips and hot glued it around those shoelaces. Added some ribbon, and voila, it is done. You can add different colors of ribbon, like a gold or a green ribbon for St. Patrick's Day that's coming up. Or you could just keep it red for Valentine's or Christmas. Hey, I hope you like this video, and please subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.